Does this process confuse you? Do you have questions about the special education process? If so, then this video is for you. The formation of an IEP is a multi-step process that repeats itself until the student either is declassified or exits out of the school system. Let's take a look at the 7 basic steps of the IEP process. Initial referral, identification, eligibility, IEP development, IEP implementation, annual review, and re-evaluation. Let's start with the initial referral. The referral to special services can come from a parent, teacher, agency, or I&RS, and 504 committees. Pretty much anyone that has interactions with a student can refer to CST. After the student is referred to special services, the CST will conduct what is called the identification meeting. The parents are invited to this meeting, as consent is required.
Hello, Mrs. Smith. During this planning meeting we will decide if testing is needed, and if so, what kind of evaluations will be done. Does this make sense?
Yes, thank you so much for all your help.
Thanks for coming. We will meet again within 90 days to discuss eligibility. Over the next few weeks, with parental consent, the evaluations will be conducted by various team members, to aid in the eligibility decision. Once all the evaluations are completed, the case manager will begin compiling the data. The next step would be to get the team and the parents back together for the eligibility meeting. During this time we will discuss the evaluation results and present the parents with an eligibility report and recommended classification, if determined to be eligible.
Mrs. Smith, as long as all parties agree and you choose to accept services for your child, then we will move along to the IEP development. Is that okay?
Yes, that would be fine. I look forward to seeing my child's individual education plan.
Now we are ready for the IEP development. During this time, teachers, service providers and child study team members will work to develop the program. Take a look at some example pages of a New Jersey IEP. After the IEP meeting and development is complete with parental consent, the teachers and service providers will begin implementing the new program in the classroom. Of course, there is going to be a need to review the student's program. This brings us to our last steps of the IEP process.
Mrs. Smith, being how an IEP is only good for a year, we will need to meet annually to discuss progress and any need for changes to the program.
Okay, will we be retesting or doing any evaluations?
No, not during the annual review. We will only be addressing changes to the program, placement and services. However, we will be holding a re-evaluation every 3 years. During that time we will go through the whole evaluation, eligibility and IEP process again.
The annual review and re-evaluation process will continue until either the student is deemed no longer eligible for services, or exits the school system. For more information on the NJ Special Ed process, log on to the web and check out www.nj.gov/education. I really hope that this video has helped you to better understand the New Jersey Special Ed process. Thanks for watching.